back to my YouTube channel, K-May. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys these 5 super cute nail designs. And by the way, these are for short nails and they're so easy and you don't need any extra supplies at home. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for the first nail design, you're going to need a little piece of tape and you're just going to tape it diagonally on your thumb or on your finger. Just like so. So that we have half of our nail covered and the half is open. And by the way guys, this is just extra white nail polish. So what we're going to do is just take some nail polish and paint over the whole nail. So I painted over my nail with purple. Here, I'll show you this color right here. But you can also just choose any other color that you like. And also, you can have base coat before you start, meaning like you paint your nail with white and then put the piece of tape on and paint it purple or whatever color. It'll give you like a different look, but I decided I kind of want like a naked nail and I thought that would look really nice. So just let it dry for at least 2 minutes before you take it off, because trust me, if you don't wait that long, it's gonna smudge. So let's wait, yay. So after about 2 minutes, you can just slowly peel off the tape and this is how it should look like. See that? That is beauty. So we just have part of the nail covered with nail polish and part of the nail just blank and naked. But since this is not nice, this does not look nice at all, we're gonna fix it up a bit. So take a second nail polish color. For this nail polish look, I'm going to be using gold. And get yourself a toothpick, or if you have one of these things, if you invest in one of these are really great if you're going to be doing nail polish a lot. You can just like draw and make dots with these. And what you're going to want to do is, with a toothpick or one of these, is just draw a line right across here, or you could even make little dots. So that we just don't have like, we kind of want to make it a bit gradual, the transition from nail polish to bare nail. So that's why we add a little barrier of nail polish. So I decided to make lots of little gold dots because I thought that would look super cute. And that is already the nail polish look. And then you just finish it off with some clear nail polish, because clear nail polish just makes the whole look just come alive and just keeps it fresh longer too. And that is look number 1. So our second look is a bit more simple, because all we're going to do is coat half of the nail with nail polish. I'll show you what I mean by that. So just a bit higher. And see how I'm gradually just working up so that it's not messy. Just like so. See how it's not perfect? Because it doesn't need to be. Because later we're going to fix it up with some glitter nail polish. So let that dry and I'll keep you updated. So once you let that dry for just a little bit, you're going to go ahead and take your glitter nail polish. My glitter nail polish is also from Essence, which is where I bought most of my nail polish from. So you're just going to go ahead and you're basically going to just pack the nail polish onto your nail. See how I'm not spreading it, but packing it? You're just going to want to pack a lot of it onto the top. And while doing that, you can gradually kind of fade it in to the nail polish, like I am right now. Or you can even create cool designs with it. So what I decided to do for mine is kind of create like a dripping effect, like it's kind of dripping gold into my nail polish. And this nail polish design is super cute and super formal, so you could wear this kind of thing to a wedding or like a fancy party, because look how beautiful that is. I mean, all of them are beautiful, but this is like one of my faves because it's not too over dramatic, and at the same time, it's dramatic enough. So I love this, and again, you can do this with any color that you want. So just pack some clear nail polish on top of it, and you're done. And this is the finished result, you guys. It's super, super cute, and I literally just love this nail polish design. This next nail polish design has to be one of my favorites in the summer because it's so fun and beautiful. So this is what it is. You're going to take your dotting tool again, or just use a Q-tip or your toothpick, or even like a chopstick if you don't have any of those. And you're going to dip your dotting tool, whatever it might be, into some nail polish. My nail polish is teal because obviously, looking at this, it's my favorite color. And you're just going to make some dots on your nail, just some random dots. And again, you can have a base coat on your nail, but I just like the look of having just an open nail like this. So as you can see, I just made some random dots. Now the next part is optional. You can either put a clear top coat over it or a glitter top coat. I'm obviously going to go for the glitter top coat because it's just going to give it more pizzazz. And this is the finished look, you guys, with my golden glitter nail polish. I just totally smeared that. But doesn't that look beautiful? You could have also used clear nail polish, but this is the look, and it's super, super fun for the summer. And you can do this with different types of dots as well. But I just chose teal because I just love the look just plain like so. So that is your third nail polish. Let me tell you, you're definitely going to impress some people with this next nail polish design because this one is just beautiful. So for this one, I am going to be doing a base coat just because I haven't really done any base coats in this video, and I just want to show you that base coats look really nice with nail polish designs as well. So you're going to make your base coat. I'm obviously doing teal, and you can do whatever color you want. And just let that dry for 2 minutes again. So after you've let it dry, you're going to take your gold again, or even silver. It looks good with silver as well. And you're just going to drip it on top of your nail. And you're going to need a lot. And you're just going to slowly kind of create a dripping design. This is not hard at all. Like some of you might think it's like really challenging, but see, this is all you're doing. And I just kind of want to make it look like, you know, just liquid gold melting on top of your nail. Just covering the rest of the bits up. That. And you are done. I mean, doesn't that look stunning? Like, this would be a great accent nail. Like, you can just paint your nails white and just have one nail like that with dripping gold. That looks beautiful. So just put on your clear coat and you're ready. That is the finished look. Doesn't that look stunning? I mean, I've gotten so many compliments on this because it is really easy and at the same time it's just beautiful. So that is your fourth nail polish design. For my last nail polish design, I decided to show you guys something just really simple. So I just cut myself a little piece of tape and you're just going to glue it on top of your nail. And now you're just going to do the same procedure as with the other tape nail and just paint over it. Just like that. And then once again, you're just gonna let it dry for 2 minutes and peel the tape off. After you peel it off, just take a color of your choice and just paint over that blank spot. Just like so. And what we're going to do now is take another color of nail polish. So I just decided to get teal, and you're just gonna simply draw a stripe along that. You're gonna pack another color onto there, and then just simply take a toothpick or a dotting tool and just kind of have fun and swirl them around. And I think this is just such a really fun and crazy look for, you know, like the carnival or something. And this is just really pretty, and it kind of gives it like a tie-dye effect. And then just put clear nail polish over it, and you are done. Okay guys, those were my easy nail polish designs for beginners. And they're just really cute and easy to make. Okay, I have one disclaimer. Something happened. My nail polishes on my ring finger kind of decided to smear. So I just accidentally smeared it with my shirt. Don't ask me how, but here you go.
That's what happens if you don't let it dry, and it was my prettiest nail.
And it decided to smear and get like all ugly, you know? But anyway, if you let them dry, this should look really, really cute. And please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.